Best leaf vacuums reviewed. I bought and tested these leaf vacuums so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're like me, you dread the fall cleanup, but with the right tools, it doesn't have to be a hassle. Stick around as I dive into my top 5 picks, sharing the real scoop on their performance. Product number 1, Vevor Push Lawn Sweeper. Let's kick things off with the Vevor Push Lawn Sweeper. I bought this bad boy because I wanted a reliable way to keep my lawn spotless without the hassle of raking. And let me tell you, the first time I pushed it across my yard, the transformation was instant. Its 21-inch sweeping width allowed me to cover a lot of ground efficiently. The thickened brushes are a game changer. They sweep up leaves and grass clippings like a charm, almost like it has a mind of its own. I didn't have to make multiple passes to gather debris, which saved me a ton of time. The adjustable spinning brush height was another feature that impressed me. No matter the terrain, my uneven yard or the smooth driveway, it adapted effortlessly. I found it especially helpful when tackling stubborn twigs and debris that typically get stuck in traditional rakes. Product number 2, Works Trivac 3-in-1 Electric Leaf Blower. Next up is the Works Trivac 3-in-1 Electric Leaf Blower. I was drawn to this one because it's a versatile tool that combines blowing, vacuuming, and mulching into one device. The 350 CFM airflow and 210 mph speed made me feel like I had a mini tornado at my disposal. I could clear out large areas in no time, and the adjustable speed feature allowed me to dial it back when I was near flower beds or delicate plants. I remember the first day I used it, I flipped the switch and leaves went flying like they were scared of the noise. The mulching feature is where this tool truly shines. It has an 18-to-1 mulch ratio, meaning I could reduce 18 bags of leaves into just one. That made my composting efforts much more manageable and efficient. However, I found the collection bag could fill up quickly, which meant stopping to empty it more than I would have liked. Product number 3, the UQM Leaf Collector. Now, let's talk about the UQM Leaf Collector. At first glance, it might seem like a simple pop-up bag, but trust me, this tool is a game changer. I used it for all the stubborn leaves that my blower couldn't reach, and I was pleasantly surprised by how effective it was. The 42-gallon capacity means I could collect a ton of leaves without needing to constantly empty it. The back end protection design was especially useful. It kept leaves from spilling out while I was transferring them to my compost bin. I can't tell you how many times I've been frustrated by a regular bag spilling everywhere. Product number 4, Black & Decker Leaf Blower and Vacuum. Next on the list is the Black & Decker Leaf Blower, Vacuum, and Mulcher. This multitasking powerhouse has been a staple in my yard care routine. What I love most about it is the backpack design. It fits comfortably and makes it easy to move around my yard. With a powerful 400 CFM and 250 mph airflow, it tackles even the heaviest leaf piles with ease. I can't count how many times this tool has saved me from hours of raking. The power boost button is a nifty feature, giving me that extra kick when I need it. Switching between blowing and vacuuming is effortless. The reusable bag is a fantastic addition. It's easy to detach and empty, plus it has a wide opening for quick cleanouts. Product number 5, Black & Decker BV6000. Finally, let's take a look at the Black & Decker BV6000. This model is another 3-in-1 tool that combines blowing, vacuuming, and mulching. The 12-amp motor delivers a robust performance, and with 400 CFM airflow, it really blows through the leaves. I found it particularly effective for those matted leaves that usually cause chaos in my yard. The high-impact metal fan prevents clogging, which is a feature I truly appreciated during my autumn cleanup sessions. The disposable leaf bag system is a game changer. It comes with 2 bags that you can just tie and toss, making cleanup super simple. However, I did find the noise level to be a bit higher than I expected. While it's 50% quieter than previous models, it's still something to consider if you have close neighbors who might not appreciate the racket. In wrapping up, these leaf vacuums and blowers each have unique features that cater to different needs. Whether you prefer a manual sweeper or an electric vacuum, there's something here for everyone. Make sure to choose the one that best fits your yard and lifestyle. Happy leaf collecting!